everybody, welcome back. Before you go anywhere, don't click off this video, please. Don't click on this video, watch this video, please. Okay, so this video, I didn't do intro for this video. I kind of like got excited and forgot. But anyways, I digress. I just wanted to tell you to please watch this video. This video has been requested to me by several of our family members, and I just want to come here and give you a nice video of this. This video is a tour of the executive suite at the Hershey Lodge. So in case one day you want to go and you want to get into the executive suite, or you want to get in any suite or any room at the Hershey Lodge, you kind of know what the executive suite looks like. I just want to give you a little tour of the executive suite. This video is not going to be long. It's a short video. It's just a little tour of one of the nice suites into the Hershey Lodge. So please sit back and enjoy this video. Please watch this video and enjoy this video. This video has been requested to me by several people when I went to the Hershey Lodge and I stayed there, and they wanted the video. So here is your executive suite room tour. Enjoy the video, guys. So here we go, guys. We're going into the hotel. It smells so clean in here, so quiet, so beautiful. So we're gonna walk around. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the living room or parlor first. I'm gonna show you that real quick so you can see. And you walk down this hallway and you have a beautiful table that seats 5, and you can have dinner here with your family, your loved ones, whoever you're here with. You can have a nice dinner, breakfast, lunch, whatever you like. And over here, look at this living room. So beautiful. Look at this. OMG, I'm like so in awe with this room. So it has nice little sitting area. You got your phone. You can call the concierge, room service, housekeeping, wherever you want to call. They have the phone right there. You can call whatever right from your room. And trust and believe, everybody here is so beautiful. They're so wonderful, so nice. Anything you need, they're right away to accommodate everybody. So if you come here and you rent from the lodge, trust and believe, they will treat you like royalty no matter what room you get here, because they want to, you know, treat us guests as family. So it's very nice. They treat you very nice here. And then you have the nice bar there, the fridge is in there, you got the TV, you got your lamps. Look at that. You got your nice table, and that sofa turns into a bed. So hey, you got extra room. And you have here, look, this is the whole living room. So beautiful, isn't it? Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I can't believe it. This is so beautiful. So if you would like the executive suite over here on the 1600, so this is the 1600 floor, which is called the Hershey floor. So if you would like this room, just call and request it, and if it's available, it could be all yours. So we're gonna go to the bedroom. So we're gonna show you what the bedrooms look like as well. Before we go check out the rooms, I'm gonna show you kind of like the nice little bar refrigerator type thing they have going on here. So I'm gonna show you. We're gonna open this one first, and you see you got some cups. Look, they give you some water. Of course, you got your ice bucket back there. Maybe I can pull it out so you can see. There you go. You have that. So nice. And then we have some coffee cups here as well, right down here. You want some coffee, and we're gonna go over here, see what they have over here. So over here you have like your regular refrigerator, you know what I mean? It's just a regular refrigerator. You can put whatever you want in there, keep your stuff cool, you know, just a regular hotel refrigerator. That's what it has here, but it is pretty nice. So we're gonna close this up. It's nice and hidden, so you don't have to like it be in the way and be bulky. And then over here, right, so we got your Keurig. Check it out. And it pulls out. You know, your nice little Keurig, your coffee pods, your creamer, your sugar, all the stuff you need for your coffee. If you would like, you know, anything you need there, you got it. Now, if you would like anything extra, like if you need more coffee pods, or you need more sugar, or more cream, any extra towels, anything you need, call over to housekeeping and room service, and they'll get the stuff that you need for you. They don't hesitate in getting anything you need. They are very happy to service you as a guest. So they do want to treat you as family. They want to make sure that you have everything you need. Any services that you need, they'll be happy to help you with. So just call down on your lovely handy dandy phone And they will give you everything you need. So they are really good with that. But let's go. We're going to go check out the rooms. Okay, now coming out of the parlor, or the living area, I should say. We're going to walk right back down the same hall we came. And we're going to open this door. If you see this door, it connects like right there with the door you come into. So this is the other door right here. It's like a bedroom. Well, it is a bedroom, I should say. And we walk in and look at the beautiful queen bed. This room right here is fit for a king and a queen. More like a queen for me. But anyways, and you have here a nice TV. You have a dresser. Of course, you have everything Hershey playing in the background. And we have this beautiful, hello. So we have a nice mirror. We got this little stand here, this little nook. We have another little sitting nook here. You have your table, again, another phone here. And then you can look at the beautiful window. Of course, it's raining a little bit. Oh, okay. You get the parkway, the road, the Hershey Hospital you see over there. So this is beautiful. Even the curtains, everything is so nice. You got your AC, you want to turn that on. So this is your king size suite. And then this is the closet right here. The closet is not that big. It's like a little closet here. But you got extra pillows up there if you shall need it. An extra comforter. Again, the Hershey Lodge. You know, the little robe. Signature Hershey Lodge. This little closet here you have here for the king size as well. And then we come over here. And you can walk right through, and you walk right through the bathroom. You can close this door and open it for privacy if you would like. If you don't share the bathroom, or you just want to close it, you know what I mean? You don't want it open or whatever. And you have your sink here. You have your handy dandy dryer right here. You got your hair dryer. You got your nice little vanity with your wash rags, your soaps, all your amenities here that you have. You know, your hand towels, all that good stuff. Okay, ladies. You see, you got your nice little vanity mirror here. You want to powder your nose, do your makeup. But look, this is what you have. And then you come over here, and if you look, you have a nice little bathroom. It's ADA accessible as well. It has a bar. Look at the shower head. Really beautiful. And you got your shower curtain. You got your regular bathtub here. You got your toilet. So this is another room you enter. So it's like a room. And a room, and then another room for the bathroom. So this is like the little king size suite here that you get with your room. Look how beautiful it is. This is gorgeous, honey. It's so gorgeous. Look at it. This is a king size suite. Now we're gonna go to the attached suite, which is a double queen right over here, that you can have other people in your party stay as well. That you can come and stay in this hotel. Now, this room, it has a door right there. So both doors have to be unlocked in order to get to one room to the other. So you have both rooms that can unlock. So you don't have to come through the front door. So this hotel has two doors. So this hotel, you can go to either door, but if you're staying in a single suite, you can just go through here as long as both doors are unlocked. You can go right through and go into the other room. So we're gonna go in there right now. So we go right into the room. And right in here, of course, you see the little tag, the do not disturb tag, was fell on the floor. But here you have, this one is a little closet. So you have your ironing board, your iron. It's just a little small closet here. That's what you get with this room. You also have a nice bathroom. And this bathroom is just like the other bathrooms. So, you know, just a regular shower bathroom. This one also is ADA. So you can have anybody who's handicapped grab onto the bar. You know, they have that for yourself. Just like the basic bathroom as the other ones. And this is so very cute. Then we're gonna walk over here. You can see you have your little desk here with your mirror. Let me see if I can turn this on real quick. Okay, so then you have your regular queen size bed. You got your, you know, your little dresser there and your other bed. You got a little seating area, nice curtains, again. TV, also you got your nice little refrigerator right in here. Here we go. Nice little refrigerator. Of course, right here, you got your little Keurig here as well for coffee. You have your nice little water bottles and all that good stuff. And you got your little dressers there, which is pretty cool. So you got all the nice amenities that you need here Nice little refrigerator. The only downfall that I would say of this suite, of this executive suite, that it doesn't bring a microwave. That's the only downfall. It doesn't have a microwave. So you like to microwave some TV dinners or whatnot, this room does not have a microwave. That's the only downfall. Other than that, it is a very, very, very cute room. Very nice, very unique. Has some nice touches, like the lampshade up there. I think that's a nice touch for lighting. It's very beautiful. This executive suite is gorgeous. So as you see, you have the queen size suite right here, and then we'll go through this door. We'll go back to the other rooms. You can rent this suite if you love this beautiful suite. You can rent it. You just have to call in over to the Hershey Lodge, or you can request it online. Somebody can call you, and they'll be able to set this up for you if that's what you want to rent. That's what you want to do. They'll give you all the information, the pricing, how many days, nights, and whatnot, and this could be yours to rent. It's a beautiful, beautiful suite. Again, like I said, the only downfall, it doesn't have a microwave. The only downfall. If you will call down over to housekeeping or over to concierge and say, hey, I got some food that I would like to warm up, but my suite doesn't have a microwave. How can I warm up my food so I can eat? They will make accommodations for you, so you'll be able to get your food warmed up. They most likely can take it down to the kitchen and they can get it warmed up for you and everything, and have it, you know, sent back up to your room if that's what you want. Just call down, use your phone and call down and ask them, and I'm sure they can give you all the information, I'm sure, because Hershey is really, really good. The lodge is really, really good at accommodating their guests. Anything that you need, anything that you want, they'll be able to accommodate it for you. If it's in the accommodation needs, they can accommodate for you, and they will give you all the information. I think it's beautiful. I'm going to try to get this suite one day, you know, when I can afford it. But I know I'm going to try to get at least for one night. For right now, this concludes my little Hershey Lodge Executive Suite tour. I hope you enjoyed my tour, guys. And I gotta go and I gotta run. I just want to give you a little tour of this room so you can see the other options you have other than the regular room here at the lodge. Remember, guys, always stay Hersheypark happy and always have a happy Hershey Kisses day. Remember, here on LifeWithFritzi, I love and care about you guys so much. I love you so much. Thank you so much for coming in and watching me. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for watching our vlogs and joining us and our family. Remember, guys, here, I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. So until next time, guys, always stay chocolatey. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye. Ciao.